how to uninstall programs in Windows 10. We will show you 3 simple ways to uninstall programs in Windows 10. Via Settings. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Go to Apps. Find the program you want to uninstall in the list. You can use the search box to find it quickly. Click on the program, then select Uninstall. Using the Start menu, click on the Start menu button. Find the application you wish to remove in the list of installed apps. Right-click on the app and then select Uninstall from the context menu. Through Control Panel. Search for the Control Panel in the Windows search bar. Now click on Uninstall a program. Locate the program you want to remove, click on it to select it, then click Uninstall. Remember, some built-in apps may not offer an uninstall option due to their integration with Windows. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.